how to enable or disable ChatGPT extension for Apple Intelligence and Siri on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down, and from here, tap on Screen Time. After that, scroll down, then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then tap on Intelligence and Siri. From here, tap on ChatGPT extension. Then here you can choose Allow or Don't Allow. Now when asked to enter a screen time passcode, do so. And that's it. So select one of the available options. Then tap on the back key and swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.